I think I loved you in another life, where I was the sea and you were the shore, like the tourist comes back to the beach.
Happy 11th anniversary to us and cheers to our next chapter of our lives as one. I love you so much with all of my heart and soul. Nagmamahal ang asawa mong walang ginagawa na kahit ano ay naiinis ka. LA.
I would die 1,000 times just to see you in another.
Ang 11 taon, tayong dalawa ay nagtagumpay sa hamon ng buhay. Sa pag-ibig at pag-unawa, pangako kong makakasama kita habang buhay. Tandaan mo, Babs, hindi araw-araw kamahal-mahal ka, pero araw-araw pipiliin kita. I love you and happy anniversary.
'Cause you remain.
I'm giving you this gift which symbolizes the rest of my life. Hindi ko maintindihan sulat mo.
Happy 11th anniversary to us and enjoy our wedding day. Love, love, and peace.
I wish you'd come with me.
Jerlyn, isuot mo at pakaingatan ang singsing na ito na siyang tanda ng aking pag-ibig at katapatan.
LA. Ikaw lamang ang aking iibigin habang ako'y nabubuhay.
Just to see you in another life. In another.
Diyan kinuha ang babae, kaya from the very beginning, they are one. Kaya kapag ka nag-asawa na, natagpuan na ng lalaki ang kanyang kabiyak, ang kanyang nawawalang tadyang. Kaya si Angelo ay kumpleto na ngayon. Yung tadyang niyang nawawala ay nariyan niya. Nandiyan na si Gerlin.